If you have just got your hands on the Apple Watch Series 10 and you're wondering how to use the Translate app, then this video is for you. Translate on the Apple Watch is a built-in feature that allows you to translate spoken or typed text between different languages right from your wrist. It's available with watchOS 11 on Apple Watch Series 6 and all the later models, with the sole exception of the first-gen Apple Watch SE. To get started, press the digital crown button to open the app grid or list, and tap on the Translate app. The interface is clean and simple. At the top, you'll see the two languages. You can tap on either one to change them. Apple currently supports over 20 languages, including French, German, Chinese, Japanese, and Italian. And the best part is that you can even download languages for offline use, which is super handy when you don't have internet access while traveling. Once your language is selected, you'll see a microphone icon. Tap on it, speak your phrase, and the Apple Watch Series 10 will quickly process and display the translated text along with the audio playback. Thanks to the upgraded S10 chip and improved microphone, translations are faster and more accurate than ever before. You can tap on this icon and the Apple Watch will start translating the other way around. In this instance, from Japanese to English. Kaizoku oni, ore wa naru.
I will become the Pirate King.
You can scroll up and down to view the translation history. Just swipe right on any translated text and tap on the star icon to add it to your favorites for quick access. Tap on the star icon on the top left to access your favorites. This is perfect for travelers who might need to repeat common sentences like where is the nearest metro station or how much does this cost. You can also swipe left on the translation to delete it from the history. The translation app on the Apple Watch Series 10 isn't meant to replace in-depth conversations, but for basic communication like ordering food, asking for directions, or casual travel use, it works incredibly well. And with the larger display of the Series 10, reading and interacting with translations is much more comfortable. By tapping on the three dots, you can adjust the translation speed. This toggle button will let you turn on or turn off autoplay translations. You can also select your preferred input method from here, text or voice. I personally prefer voice. In the downloaded languages section, it shows the language which I have already downloaded, and I can also download any language from the list. You can also enable on-device mode that processes the data offline on the watch, although it may not be as accurate as online translations. Give the translation app on your Apple Watch a try on your next trip or even just for practice. It's one of those underrated features that can genuinely make your life easier. And that's a wrap for this one. If you found this video informative, then hit the like button and subscribe to Wearholic for more smartwatch tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.